Good morning, Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine. I welcome you all again in your science class. So dear students, as you know that your topic is completed and now it's time for your written work. It is important that all of you must have your neat copies. So those who have already got their neat copies, what you have to do is you have to fulfill the tag first. Kindly write your serial numbers, name, your class section and your subject, and the subject is science. Then in the next step kindly cover your copies with the covers already provided to you people. Then after covering the copies, kindly staple or the copy cover so that it might not get out of the copy and your copy remain in good condition. Clear? Then in the next step, kindly cover the cover of the copy, the card side of the copy. Again write the name, class, subject, your branch, Voice 5, session 2021 to 22. Then your teacher's name. Clear? Then come to the written side of the copy. One thing should be remembered that you people are leaving 3 first pages of your copy for the course content and writing pattern. After leaving 3 pages, ready the title page. Just like you people get ready in your classes, in your regular classes. After writing the title page of the copy, come to the new page, write the date at that side of the copy. Then draw the margin line, and margin line should be of 1 finger gap. Clear? And when you people draw the margin line, start your work quite neatly and nicely. Use blue marker for headings. Clear? But in some classes we people use black marker for headings and blue marker for writing the questions. So it is up to you people whether you people using these two markers or a single marker. Clear? Then always remember that the heading should be with capital letter and heading should be double underlined. Clear? Write your question Q1 there and write answer nicely at that place. Clear? After writing the question, leave 1 line and give the heading where it is necessary or needed. Then after leaving 1 line and leaving the space of 1 finger gap, kindly start writing the answer. Here I am discussing few short questions of your course. Number 1 is, what is cytoplasm? As you have seen that I have already given the heading with capital letters. What is cytoplasm? After leaving 1 line and giving the heading, the answer is cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance. These all short answers are already discussed with you people in your lecture videos. So now it is not the new thing for you people. What is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance and fills the substance between the cell membrane and the nucleus. It is present both in animal and plant cell. The cytoplasm contains a number of small structures called organelles. Clear? Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance. The word jelly-like should be written with blue marker and fills the substance between the cell membrane and nucleus. It is present in both animal and plant cells. The cytoplasm contains a number of small structures called organelles. Again, the word organelle should be written with blue marker. Your first short question is completed. Now, draw the ending line and start writing the new question. The second question. Question 2 is, what do you know about the nucleus of a cell? Now, what is cell? What do you know about the nucleus of a cell? Nucleus is the most important part of a cell. It controls all the activities of the cell. It also controls how and when the cell divides. A plant or animal cell without a nucleus cannot reproduce. Now, what are the marker words in this question? Nucleus is the most important part of the cell. It controls all the activities of the cell. It also controls how and when the cell divides. A part or animal cell without a nucleus cannot reproduce. Now, here the word reproduce is a marker word. Clear? As you are again looking at my question, that I am given the heading in capital letters. After writing the ending line, drawing the ending line, we are coming to the third question, the third short question, which is define tissue and give two examples. After leaving one line, give the heading in capital letters. Cells of same type or group together to form a tissue. Now here the marker word is same. Now the marker word is same and tissue. Same and tissue. After leaving one line, give the heading of examples in capital letter. Number 1, number 2, use two lines for writing the examples clearly. And the first letter of your word is also written with blue marker and in capital letters. Now, the skin, the first word is skin. The word S should be written with blue marker in capital letters. Second one is blood. The word blood, here the letter B should be written with blue marker and in capital letters. Now it's time for the question 4. Define organ system. After leaving one line, give the heading of organ system. Various organs which are arranged together to perform a particular function form an organ system. Various organs which are arranged together to perform a particular function. Now here the word particular should be written with marker. It is a key word to form an organ system. The word organ system should also be written with marker. Clear? Now here is a choice for you people, whether you people are giving an extra separate example for the organ system. So you can here leave one line and give the heading of examples and give the example which is digestive system. You can write any other name of the system which you are going to write. You can write here nervous system, you can write here circulatory system, you can write here reproductive system. Then leave one line, draw the ending line. Now the fifth question. Name different organ systems in the human body. Now here are the names of different organ systems. First one is the nervous system. Second one is digestive system. Third one is respiratory system. Fourth one is circulatory system. Fifth one is muscular system. Sixth one is skeletal system. Seventh is excretory system. And eighth one is reproductive system. So dear students, When we write the question, write the first letter of these organ systems with markers and in capital letters. Capital N, capital D, capital R, C, M, S, E, R. All these first letters should be written with blue marker and in capital letters. Thank you, and hopefully you will understand and do your work nicely. Thank you.